What is your reaction if your weight increased 3 times in just few seconds? Imagine standing on a scale and watching it jump from 60 kilograms to 180 kilograms. That sounds terrifying. Well, that is actually what astronauts experience during a rocket launch. In this video, we discover how and why it happened. If you ever watched Veritation video on how gravity actually works, this concept is a piece of cake. But if you not, don't worry, we will break it down. One of the hardest question: why do you weigh 60 kg or any number if it matters? But why? Is it because of how much food you eat, how tall you are, or maybe water in your body? Actually, it's none of those. Your weight is the result of gravity pulling on your mass. Let's break it down. Mass is the amount of stuff your body is made of. But weight depends on gravity pulling on that mass. On Earth, gravity pulls with a force of 9.8 meter per second squared. That's why if your mass is 60 kilograms, your weight is 60 times 9.8, which equals to 588 newtons. On the moon, gravity is much weaker, only 1.6 meter per second squared. If you stood on a scale there, it would show just 10 kilograms instead of 60. That's why astronauts on the moon bounce around like they are weightless. It's not the magic, it's weaker gravity doing the trick. So far, we talked about how gravity determines your weight. But what if I told you that gravity isn't only the force that make you feel heavier or lighter? Picture this: you are inside a rocket. The engines fire, and the rocket begins accelerating upward at immense speed. So what happened now? Your body, due to inertia, resists this motion. It wants to stay at rest. As the rocket pushes you upward, you feel a force pressing you back into your seat. That is G force. If you have no idea about inertia, inertia is just the idea that things want to stay the way they are. If they are still, they stay still. If they are moving, they keep moving until something make them stop or change. Normally we feel 1G that holding us on the ground, but during a rocket launch, astronaut experiences an incredible 3 to 4G. That's 3 or 4 times of the force of gravity. If astronauts weighing machine display 70 kilograms, those astronauts feel their weight from about 210 to 280 kilograms during rocket launch.
Astro, no.
This song speed fact, I bet you, without any training, if you direct jump in rocket and start accelerating, you find yourself in a trouble. The first thing you wanna feel is you find yourself crushed back in your seat. Every organ of your body feels like it being pulled down, breathing becomes harder, your chest feels heavy, like an invisible weight sitting on it. Even moving your arm or lifting your head feels like an impossible task. And here's the kicker: without proper training, you might even pass out. The blood in your body is forced downward away from your brain. That's why astronauts undergo intense training to build up their tolerance for G forces. Without it, the rocket launch would feel less like a thrilling adventure and more like a crushing, overwhelming nightmare. NASA Punch mission scheduled for a launch in 2025 on the Sun. But if you ever wonder how Sun generate immense energy, click here. If you wonder a person measured Earth 2000 years ago, but how? Click here and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.